Freaking awesome!
Oh, that's great.
Freaking awesome! Oh my gosh! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Boost of Behavior. Today we're with David Haynes.
Hey.
Tell us about this car, dude.
Well,
It's awesome.
yeah, this is my 71 Nova here. Got a 632 Big Block Chevy. Always been a big fan of the Pro Street cars, and this is actually my second Pro Street car. Had a 62 Nova, a bright yellow one.
Wow.
That I had around here for years, probably.
What did it have in it?
It had a 427 in it with some nitrous on it.
Oh,
yeah.
And
So was it pretty healthy too?
It was pretty healthy. It run 630s,
Yeah.
620s
Yeah.
over Sykeston, and so I told the wife, I said, you know, when we do another one, let's just do something to cruise around, have fun, and stuff like that. And so last couple of years, we've just been driving this thing around and enjoying the crap
It
out
sounds
Oh,
wicked. So
Yeah.
it's a 632.
It's a blueprint crate engines, 632. It's their 815 horse version.
Wow.
And so, yeah, other than that,
What?
how you see it's how it came. Only thing I did was add the induction system to it. And,
Wow.
it's got a Pro Systems SV1 carburetor on it. And
That's
so,
cool.
Yeah, and so
So what transmission you running it?
it's got a 350 turbo,
Yeah.
3500 stall,
Yeah.
410 gear with a 31 16.5 tire.
Gosh,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah.
So is this something that, like, can you actually drive it? Say you want to drive the Cape to a car show, is it?
Yeah, we can. In fact, just
that
last
is so
month,
cool.
727 Motorsports
Yeah.
had a show there in Paragould, and we got up one Saturday morning and drove
Took
to
off
Paragould.
up?
Yep.
How
Yep.
could is
Yeah.
that?
Yep.
So just run on pump gas
Just
or?
standard old 91, 93
Yeah,
pump gas.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, are you done with it, or what's your plans?
I am done with it for now.
Yeah.
My plans are I'm fixing to build a new shop.
Yeah.
And so when my new shop's done, my first project's going to be this car. I'm going to pull this engine out, refresh it,
Yeah.
and put a big 1071
Oh
blower on it.
my
Yeah.
God! Dude, I didn't think it could get no cooler.
Right.
But could you imagine with a huge
Huge blower?
freaking blower?
Yeah.
Oh
So
my
I plan
gosh,
on,
dude!
Of course, everybody knows my buddy Jimmy Voles in Bluff.
Oh,
And
we
so,
all know him, yeah.
yeah.
Jimmy, what do you do? You put that through your what?
And so
Yeah.
he's I plan on running it on E85.
Oh, yeah.
With the blower, and of course you guys know he can tune it for
Oh,
me. So
Oh yeah,
that's
yeah.
my
Freaking
game plan.
Jimmy.
So.
We love you, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Dude, this is such a cool car,
Yeah.
man. Wait, I got a question. Can I ride in it?
Yes, you can.
Oh, dude, heck yeah. Rob, we're going to have you go around this car, show them what I'm getting ready to ride in, and then we're going to freaking burn some rubber, baby.
Heck yeah.
Let's do it. Look,
Ready?
heck yeah, brother. Hey, it's good talking to you.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you.
hey, if we die, we went out in a freaking awesome Nova. Let's do it, baby. it really is. Like as soon as you hit it, it's like,
It's on.
yeah.
That's pretty good.
I couldn't imagine with a freaking blower on it.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't wait.
Oh my gosh. Rob, this car is freaking awesome. Dude, he hammers it and you're like, freaking slams you in the back of the seat. Oh my God.
It looks and sounds
Dude,
awesome.
oh,
Going down the
for a
road.
big block, it wraps up so
fast,
quick.
yeah.
Dude. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's awesome. We got to get one. No, I want one real
Oh,
bad.
I bet, yeah.
Dude, it's like you can't get no cooler looking.
Right.
And when he hammers it, like the sound runs
yeah.
good. It's perfect.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And what's cool is like he said, he drove it an hour to Cape and
Right.
an hour here and there. It just, you know, he can't pass a gas station.
Right.
But other than that,
Yeah,
dude,
yeah.
he can pass everybody else. That's, hey, one of the coolest cars ever.
Oh, yeah,
Can't
that's
get no
sweet.
cooler.
I told the wife, I'm like, man, you think I ought to take them out? And she's like, no. She's like, it's kind of funny to see this car and hear it and everything.
And hear the horn.
Hear
Here we
the
go.
horn, you're like,
Oh, here we
what's
go.
going on? So here's the debut of my horns from Amazon.
Yeah, that don't match the car at all. That is
Oh,
awesome.
that's great.